Today's repair is on this Kia Sportage. I have some damage to do right in the center of the door. And it's a very common dent to get on any SUV. Nowadays, with this high strength metal, this is a very difficult dent to take out because you need a lot of torque, and usually we come in from the glass, basically roll it down, slide tools down inside there and push. But when you see this part right here just crack through the apex, that's gonna take 200 pounds or more of torque, easy, to push out. And that's the root of this dent. If you spend a lot of time up here knocking that down, pushing it, hitting it, you can actually beat this dent up unnecessarily and not glass it the way I like to do it. Glassing means I take this camera again, same angle, same car, everything, and I go like this and look at it, and then we want to see glass. So I try and achieve 98%, but it will always know the flaws because I'm recording in 4K. But remember, that's going to take a lot of torque right there. So what I'm going to do is remove the glass and then come down with some power. Once I got the power where I want to, then I can start doing other stuff around the area because I'm lifting it from the root. See, each hit should do something. You don't want to hit it 35 times to finally do something. That is just going to beat it up and create little dimples to fix later. All right, all done with this Kia Sportage. Let's take a look. I was going to show it to you exactly like I was telling you. I'm going to basically go down here, go up, and then look at those trees and give you a really good idea that I kept the orange peel. You don't want to see sanded orange peel. You want to see original orange peel. There's a deep angle. I'll put a light over on this side so you can see it. Came out really nice. Customer's real happy, and I'm going to put it all back just so you know. All done. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from Dent Experts, the YouTube channel, fixing a rather easy dent, but yet if it's not done well, you're definitely going to see the flaws. All right, here's my horizontal pass. And vertical pass.